goes a Cessna. Flying over my head, just flying by once. Like that's all they do. Oh, we just fly by decently quietly. You know, we're good. We're real good people. Few people listening would have been able to get through this crap. So however I talk doesn't matter. Look, I'm standing here recording him. This is a good video. Now he needs to personally interact with me because they give the dumbass pilots a little bit of freedom. Whatever, dude. Take my time, desire to take my time while I'm recording. That's fine. We can all go down.